here is the earlier video. The little guy is running around looking for food, basically. That's what it is. The little other thing he's rotating around is the food. So here's what that code looks like while it's running. The green lines here indicate the current path into the code. And that's it. And I can stop it at any, I can run it back and forth. I can fast forward to the end of the time that I recorded. I can stop it anywhere in between. Hit the letter F to zoom in on the current node, and I can see that it's telling me it's here. All transforms add some. It's adding a. What's it doing? I'm not real sure exactly what the code's doing in this case. I could read it and find out. I can also hit the info button and pull up this, which is going to it's going to tell me exactly where it is and exactly the code at that point. So here's this one. There's the code. There's the line that's found in the source code file, and yeah, there it is. So the idea behind this was to create a tool, like I was saying, that any developer can use. Ultimately, it's going to support every programming language, and it will help you see how your code works. You can scrub through it like a timeline, see how things actually execute in your code. You can inspect things. You can see, like, if you want to see where certain variables are being set or referenced, the variable window has your answers for you. Scrub through the history, and the next feature that I'm adding right now, before the next phase of the beta, is public comments, or not public comments, but shared comments. So multiple developers can look at one giant map of all the code and make notes and point out things to each other and say, basically, hey, look at this over here, you're doing this wrong, or this is interesting, why is it taking so long over here, that kind of thing. It's all the idea is to create this kind of online super shareable code thing that also helps you just solve problems in your code and visualize how it actually all works together. That's it. It is called Talon, and will be available for public consumption very soon. Thanks.